हाँ करना है।
Good afternoon to everybody.
Good afternoon, madam. Good afternoon.
Very good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, madam. Literacy madam is present here.
Yes, I am here, ma'am. Very good afternoon. I hope you can hear me good.
Very good
Can
afternoon, madam. Yeah, welcome back to digital program.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It's my pleasure.
Yeah. What is the today's topic, ma'am?
Yeah, it's about affiliate marketing, followed by Google AdSense.
Shall we start the class? Very good afternoon to one and all virtually assembled here. Today is the 8th day of our social media digital marketing program. It is a national level program, but international participants, they are participating. It's a very good sign. And moreover, we are identifying the resource persons in a fruitful way. And that way, we are searching, till time we are searching for people with hands-on training to be given to the participants. Because our team include, we can't say only students, both teachers and the corporate people as well as admins, students, they are participating in our program. So today we have a resource person, Mrs. Ilarasi Kesavan. She is having more than a decade of experience in information technology field. She is possessing 7 years of Infosys Limited experience and more than 3 years now at Poway company. She also plays a various roles such as the trainer, product coordinator. Poway company means she is associated with Nirmal Dainy Group, Dainy Education, So she's the product coordinator, technical lead, and product consultant. She has an expert in the following fields such as the Microsoft technologies, Azure serverless web application security, and product marketing, and across domains such as e-commerce, digital marketing, ERP, banking, and more. Apart from that, she is also an active speaker in the technical sessions like our sessions, like webinars and conferences. On behalf of all the allied participants, I welcome you, madam, for this 8th day program on social media digital marketing. Now over to Illarasi, ma'am.
Yeah, thanks for this introduction, ma'am. And hope everybody can see me good and hear me good. And with that, let me start off with by sharing my screen. Just give me a quick confirmation once I start sharing, if you can see my screen. Yeah, is this visible?
Yes, madam. Yes.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, so Sumati ma'am gave me a very good introduction. So that's all about me. But I need to justify why am I the right person to talk about affiliate marketing today? What is my exposure into this digital marketing space and how I can justify talking on this topic? So as she rightly mentioned, right now I play the role of a product consultant of Serverless 360, which is a highly technical product which is built as an operational and support tool set for Microsoft Azure users. But how is this relevant to product marketing or digital marketing? Yes, let me come to that point. Like this product demanded a technically sound person to play the role of product consultant, which involves its marketing as well. And that is where I had to train myself on digital marketing space, and the knowledge that I acquired through this journey is what I am here to share with you all. So though most of my exploration and learning were in the Microsoft technology side, marketing has also been my cup of tea. So today's topic is something that is very interesting and a topic that is of interest to me. So this maps to a number of real-time scenarios that we encounter day in and day out. So I will try my best to keep it as lively as possible by bringing in real-time examples that will help you connect the concept that you learn with your experience in day-to-day routine. Yeah, so I would like to give away the slide credits to Simply Learn. This is where the authentic source from where I acquired knowledge on affiliate marketing, and I'm happy to share that with you all. So let us pick up a real-time scenario in a typical organization. So before I start off this session, so I should also tell you in various perspectives in which I'm going to explain you about affiliate marketing. So when we pick up this marketing space, so there are different user personas involved in it. So let us try to understand this concept from every perspective, so that you can decide on what persona you should be playing on to make use of affiliate marketing the best. I would also let you explore a couple of tools depending on the persona that you are going to play on. Yes, so with that intro, let us start off with looking at it from an enterprise perspective. Let us say I work for an organization wherein I have a product to take to my actual end users, but I have some challenge in getting that done. Yes, so that is when we will reach out for an medium called digital marketing, isn't it? So I have a solution. There are people who have problems for whom this would be my business gets complete. So that is where digital marketing comes into picture. So let us observe the scenario here. Let us give this guy a name like Ramu or Somu, which is very comfortable for us. So here this guy is pacing around. So he has some problem. Obviously, he's in an enterprise, and here comes a person who can give away the solution to him. So this guy says, the solution provider says, hey man, what's with all the pacing? Is everything all right? Definitely not. We can understand from Ramu's expression that something is worried. Something is bothering him. So he says, I'm just worried that I may have exhausted every way we can advertise our product. So till this, since this program started, it's been 8th day, as Sumati ma'am mentioned. So it's been 7 days. So I'm sure you would have explored on various marketing strategies, say email marketing or blogging or content marketing. So there are so many marketing strategies, social media marketing. Even this guy has tried out a number of ways to reach out to his actual end users, but everything was win-win. So he's just worried that I may have exhausted every way we can advertise our product. I have to come up with something new as soon as possible, isn't it? So I have to figure out a new solution that can guarantee me success. So this guy says, don't worry, I think I have got a solution for you. So what would be that solution? As this session is about affiliate marketing, so the solution is going to be affiliate marketing only. So now this comes to a point like, what is the necessity of this topic? So though you have tried out various other marketing strategies, if you have found that none of them have helped you as much as you expected, so here comes another medium which has proven to be effective for many of the service providers. So that is affiliate marketing. So I hope this would give you the necessity of learning this topic. So first off, let's talk about why do we need affiliate marketing. So to understand the need of this, we should first understand what is it. So let's dig into affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? So this definition needs to be understood really very well so that we grasp the actual content of this topic and we implement it in the right place in your marketing strategy. Okay, so this affiliate marketing is a form of digital marketing. So we are going to do marketing digitally in the digital platforms that involves a merchant. So whom do you find here is a merchant. So who would be a merchant in a typical scenario? The one who has got the product to be sold. So there is a merchant who has got a product. He wants that to be sold. He's tried various other platforms, various other marketing strategies. None of them has given him the result that he expected. So now affiliate marketing is a new form of digital marketing that involves a merchant who has got the product. He's ready to pay commissions to a website or other entities. So now you can slightly guess what this could be, isn't it? So this merchant is paying commissions to a website or other entities for what? Advertising the merchant's product with referrals. So almost all of us have Facebook account, isn't it? So when I log into my Facebook account, do you see ads that are relevant to you? So do you see so Facebook is a digital marketing platform wherein there is a merchant whose products are being sold and you get to access, you find relevant referrals. But this is exactly not affiliate marketing. I'm just giving you an example. As we proceed further, you will really understand how sensitive it is. So Facebook is just an example for you to let you connect. So there is a website wherein the merchant wants the product to be advertised so that the referrals would find the product and initiate the buying opportunity. So that is the core idea behind this affiliate marketing. I'm trying to affiliate myself into another platform or a website or entity so that I can sell my product. So that person, that is the website or the entity, is going to do the job of advertising my product so that it reaches out to their referrals whom I think are my target audience. Yes. So let's have a look at each of these components a bit more in detail so that we understand the whole concept of affiliate marketing right. First, we have the merchant, which means the brand, the seller, the creator. That is, who has the product that they want to sell. The creator of the product. It could be a brand as well. Yeah. So this merchant, this is a component of affiliate marketing that creates the product. So say, imagine an garments owner in Tirupur. Okay, he has an garment industry. He manufactures his t-shirts. He wants to sell it to the right audience. Okay, so this is a component. That is, a merchant is a component of affiliate marketing that creates the product. The merchant could be anyone. They can be from startups to a large multinational companies. They have some product that can be sold to the right audience. So he is a merchant here. Yes. The second is an affiliate. It's also called as a publisher. So who is going to be the publisher or the affiliate? So the affiliate is the third party website or entity which promotes the merchant's products and tries to convince the potential customers of the merchant's product value. Say, imagine Amazon. Okay, Amazon is an website. Do Amazon have their own products? Yes, they do have, but majorly they buy products from merchants and they give a platform through which they advertise and reach out to the possible audience and make sure the merchant's products are sold. So what is the benefit for Amazon here? They get a commission, isn't it? They get a commission for selling a merchant's product. Something similar to that. So this affiliate is a third-party website or an entity which promotes the merchant's products and tries to convince potential customers of the merchant's product value. So there are number of strategies involved within this to convince the target audience that this merchant's product is really good. So when I get into the Amazon website and look for ordering a product, what is that I look for? I try to find out what is a featured product based on which has been newly introduced, what is the rating. There are various parameters. I, to an extent, rely on the platform called Amazon.in to decide whether I should buy a product or not. I refer to the documents or articles or supporting blogs that Amazon provides to rely on to choose the product. So that is where this whole concept of affiliation works. So this affiliate or the publisher is going to guide me or promote a particular merchant's product to ensure that it is being sold to the right audience. And what do they get out of that? They get a commission or reward. Okay, so when an affiliate is getting rewarded, so incentivized, there should be an benchmark on which they are getting rewarded, right? So there are 4 key parameters on which an merchant would reward an affiliate. That is registrations. Say if I am an e-learning organization, then I'm looking for registrations to an online course that I have created. So I would sign up with an affiliate and I would set the number of registrations as an program parameter to decide the incentive that I'm going to offer to my affiliate. Yes, so it could be, say, if I have a technical product like mine, and a subscription-based product, wherein I expect the target users to sign up to the product and start using it. So till then is what is the role of an affiliate. So they are going to take my product to the right audience so that the person signs up to the product. So that can be a parameter to decide what is an incentive to the affiliate. Sales, I can say in case of Amazon, if the product is sold, then the merchant would have to pay and commission to the Amazon. Every sale would be tied up to an incentive to the affiliate. Number of subscriptions, any software product, say Amazon Prime or an Smule subscription. So all these are examples. So Smule would have an affiliate through whom they advertise a product to the right audience. And when the audience signs up for a subscription, they will have to pay their affiliate an incentive. So based on for each registration or each email sign up, for each sale or subscription, the affiliate gets paid. So I can understand the question in everybody's mind, can I be an affiliate? Yes, let us see as we proceed further, so that I can earn some incentives by promoting some merchant's product. Yes, of course, there are opportunities for an individual to be an affiliate as well. So let us try to explore all those possibilities. So right now, let us try to understand what is a merchant, what is an affiliate. And there are two entities here that we discussed till now, the components. So a merchant is going to be who has a product, who wants to sell the product. An affiliate is somebody who's taking up advertising of this product and ensuring the product reaches the target audience. Hence, he get paid with a commission. But this seems to be a real complex relationship, isn't it? Should I not have an platform that defines the relationship between the merchant and an affiliate? So because every transaction that we are talking about here involves money. So I need a concrete platform wherein every transaction is being tracked and reconciliation is in place, so that at later point in time, when I need to re-look on how much has been, like what has been my sales through this affiliate over a period of time. So all these analytics would be requirement of day in and day out, isn't it? So this relationship between the affiliate and the merchant is made possible with the help of an affiliate network. So that is where the power of IT comes into picture. That is like you need a concrete network management which makes sure the connectivity or relationship between the affiliate and the merchant is made possible. So what is this affiliate network? So this affiliate network acts as a middleman between the merchants and the affiliates. So it allows merchants to find and collaborate with the affiliates that are best suited for their brands and help affiliates find brands they want to advertise. So till now, whatever we were discussing were sounding like it is involved between two persons, right? A merchant and then an affiliate. But that's in real time, it's not as simple as that, especially when you want to reach out to a global audience. Say, just by tying up with one affiliate, it is not possible for me to produce a result that I am expecting. Say, my product, Serverless 360, targets all the Azure audience across the world. That is, I might have my target audience in the UK, I will have people in America, I'll have in Canada, Australia, European region. So I will have to concentrate on spreading my network to across the world. So first of all, I need to find out affiliates across the world, isn't it? Who is going to take up a responsibility to make my product reach out to them? A more familiar example would be like, say I have a cousin at US and I need to send away a gift to my cousin. So if I'm looking for an option to send an authentic gift from India, so I need an network, that is Amazon.com is a broad affiliate network that is connecting the merchant from Tirupur to an person at Orlando. So that is how a globally spread audience should be connected. So I need a concrete affiliate network in place which can act as a middleman between my merchant and my affiliate. It allows the merchants to find and collaborate with other affiliates that are best suited for their brand and help affiliates find the brands they want to advertise on. So if I play the role of an affiliate, so I should be in a position to choose the products that I need to advertise on. So only when I believe on the product that I would like to advertise, I'm going to do justice to that, right? Say I would have purchased an item at Amazon and I would have felt, yes, this works excellent, and I would like to let the world know that I have purchased this product and it works fine for me. Why don't you try this out? So such representation can be done only when the affiliate finds the brands they want to advertise. So this is an platform that should facilitate both the way actions, wherein the merchant should be in a position to find an affiliate. Say I find a website which is very popular and I want my product advertisement to be there. Say, let me tell you the example from my perspective itself. As I told you, our target audiences are Azure users. So do I expect an Azure, a technical person who plays a solution architect role in an organization which uses Azure platform? Okay. So do I expect him to come and see an ad in Facebook and buy a product like Serverless 360? Definitely not, right? So I will have to look for websites like Stack Overflow or an highly technical platform wherein they talk about Azure, they have podcasts about Azure or ebooks on Azure. So that is a place where I expect my actual target audience to frequently visit or land up. So I would choose a website which has got an audience or like traffic of Azure users as my affiliate, and I would request him to advertise. So any sign up that I receive through that website, I will pay him an incentive. So that is how this affiliate marketing works. But how do I find that right website which has got traffic of Azure users? So that's quite not possible, right? Not all the websites with the right traffic is very popular. That is where I will have to get a tool which satisfies or which will throw light on affiliates across the world who have a traffic of my relevant target audience. That is where there is a need for an affiliate network. So with affiliate network, what is that I can do as a merchant? Merchant can use tools for tracking and reporting and processing payments of affiliates. So I can first find my appropriate affiliates. I am now talking from a merchant's perspective. So I am a merchant. I have a product called Serverless 360. I need to make sure it reaches to the Azure audience across the world. So when I choose the right affiliate network, I'm going to identify the right publishers. That is through whom I'm going to publish my product. So once I choose my publishers, is that all that I am going to do? Not that, right? I will have to track how is a publisher working out for me. Am I getting meaningful signups through the publishers? Am I able to convert those signups into a sale? So all these needs to be tracked over a period of time. So that tool, the affiliate network that I choose, should serve as a platform for me to identify the right affiliates, track how they are performing, reporting, say in the last month, through 5 of my selected affiliates who had given me the best result. So that reporting I should have, and I should also have the medium to process the payments, which is very important. Ultimately, everybody works for the payment or the money. Yes. So I need a secure platform through which the transaction is being carried out, and it should have reconciliation capability to revisit at any point in time whether the processing of payments to my affiliates had been reliable or not. Yes. So I'm looking for a tool which has got all these capabilities. Yes. Do we have such tools? Yes, we do have. We will see them as we proceed further. And there is a third or the fourth component. In fact, we talked about the merchant, talked about affiliate or the publisher, then came the affiliate network, and finally the customer. So this customer is the one who decides whether this affiliate marketing has been successful or not. So the consumer network and the consumer. So should we take a pause here, go to one of the affiliate marketing tools, the affiliate networks, and try to understand a better picture of what is this affiliate marketing. So I would introduce you to a tool from an enterprise perspective. So when I need to work from the enterprise perspective, we saw what are all important parameters that I need to consider when I choose a tool, right? So I need an platform to identify my affiliates, or also called as publishers. So I need to identify the publishers across the world who can represent my product or who can take my product to the right audience. Yes. So this CJ affiliate is a very well known, very well accepted tool for affiliate marketing. So let us see
Madam.
what this, yeah. Yes. Does anyone has anything to say? Any doubt at this point in time?
Slide is sharing, madam. Slide. PPT. That is
Okay,
screen.
you-
It
you
is
are
not in the
Okay.
screen.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
Sorry,
I
sorry
think
for
I
the
will-
disturbance. Sorry.
No problem, sir. That's fine. Thank you for that.
Nah,
Because
very
I would
flow.
be-
You are taking very flow, frequent flow that I'll disturb you.
No, no problem. That's okay, sir. Like
So
I think I will
interestingly, you
have
are
to.
taking.
I
That's
hope
great.
that is interesting for the audience too. Yeah. Yeah. So I would stop sharing and then share it again so that
Okay.
the browser would be visible. Yeah. So now is the Chrome browser visible?
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Yes. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
And thank you, participants. Yeah. So this is a CG affiliate, the tool that I was talking about, which is of enterprise standard. So when you align yourself into an enterprise and you're looking for a right tool for affiliate marketing, so this is the one. But this requires a bit amount of expertise to understand and make use of the tool well. Nevertheless, let us try to understand how robust it is and what is that it can offer. So we were fixing up a benchmark for a tool, right? It is expected to throw light on what are all my potential publishers across the world who can connect me to the right audience. So I should have the capability to search for an affiliate and tie up with them. And once I associate with that affiliate, I should define the program parameters, that is on what basis I'm going to share and commission to these set of people. So I should have that feasibility. I should have the capability to track how this association has been. Is it rewarding? Should I have to cut off my relationship with some of the affiliates and increase the relationship with the other affiliates? So all that I will have to explore. Say, should I pay a bit more like commission to one of the affiliates who is giving me more signups? So this platform is expected to give me all those. Let us have a quick run through CJ affiliate, which says what is an affiliate? Affiliate marketing is a only channel that reaches and influences customers worldwide at every part of their purchase journey, both online and offline. So that is going to be a journey throughout which the customer and the merchant and the publisher are going to be associated, and this platform is going to facilitate that whole journey. So where do I fit into this? I being a person or you being a person can fit into any of these criteria, right? It could be a publisher. So when can you be a publisher? A publisher is an affiliate who would advertise the product, right? So a publisher can engage with the consumers through variety of distribution models. Say you have a website which has got significant traffic. Then you can project yourself as a publisher. You can register yourself as a publisher through a platform like CG Affiliate. So when somebody is looking for a publisher, you would be displayed to them, and you can create a relationship with one of the merchants to advertise the product. And that is how it works. So publisher would engage with the consumers. So your website has already got a set of traffic, right? Who are the actual consumers? So any merchant who sees your traffic as their potential customer would develop a relationship with you. Yes. And familiar example, but that's not very appropriate, but I'm telling you to help you understand. Say you have an Instagram page which has got 1 million followers, or you have a YouTube channel which has got millions of followers, then you can be a publisher. So that again, like you can have a website which an adequate traffic, social media, search, or email or mobile apps, whichever can be used as an publishing platform. So who is an advertiser? Advertisers sell the products, experiences, and services and reward publishers for driving results in it. So this is actually the merchant who will sell the actual product. So an advertiser will have products that needs to be sold. It can even be experience. Why do they say experience? Say if I am running an online tutorial platform, then I'm selling my experience. I'm teaching people. And it could also be in service. Say if I am having a service application, I would collect say an Infosys or a TCS. What do? They do an software service. It can even be an hardware service like an AC mechanic. He wants to reach out to people who has got an air conditioner at their home, which would read and service. So these are some examples at the bottom lane. Like anybody can associate themselves into an appropriate affiliate and take their business to the next level. So this CJ affiliate is the innovative product or their innovative technology that cultivates partnerships between the advertisers and publishers, who are nothing but the merchants in the affiliates that we discussed in our presentation. So what is the real power of this network? So this collaboration significantly expands an advertiser's audience and growth potential and enables publishers to monetize their efforts. So this, because of this network, wherein there are a lot of people from multiple places, you have the option to choose your affiliate and take your business to the next level. And very simple business model built on top of such a concept is Swiggy. Right? There are restaurants throughout the city. Like how many restaurants do we physically know? We do not even know, but we order food from them and then get it. That is an success of an out-of-box business model, which is somewhere similar to this. Like Swiggy is a platform that tries to connect the solution provider and the solution seeker. And so the digitalization of the agent has been the most happening business model over a period of time. So when we observe the number of successful startups in the recent trends, you would have observed that, say, how the OYO rooms has been really successful. There were hotels which are very less performing, but this all of a sudden there was an idea which transformed the whole hotel business, like that it gave a digital agent who connected the people who wanted an sophisticated stay at a nominal price to the solution providers who had a hotel with very, very less facilities and little improvement to the facilities provided, and digital platform that connected the solution providers and the seekers made it happening. So that is how the business model has been over a period of time. So what the CG affiliate does is, It connects the solution providers and influencers or the publishers who has got the authority to reach out to the right audience, and makes sure that it gives a push to the merchant's product towards the right target audience. So let us have a quick look at a recorded demo of this tool. So let me play this and I will walk you through this tool. So this is the CJ platform, CJ Affiliate, wherein you can find the menus to include publishers, links, reports, mail, placements, and paper call. So let us look into the publishers part. So when I want to find a publisher and associate to them, so here you can find manage their program terms. That is, I'm going to define on what basis I would pay this particular publisher. So here comes a question: should I have one publisher or number of publishers? Obviously, I should have number of publishers whom I think are relevant platforms to reach out to my right target audience. And now I would define the program terms, that is on what basis I am going to give them an incentive. See here, I would display and I would define an program term that would say and what action is going to give them an reward. So here I say this payment, a purchase defines their program term. So I legally sign an agreement with my identified affiliate that. So here is our terms. And if I get a sale from your website, so it could be a website, a publisher could be a website, you display my products ad in your website. If I get a sale from that, so there are multiple strategies to identify whether the sale has been generated from that website or not. Say I have a parameter called UTM parameter can be attached to the URL. So when I get and sign up, I get to understand that this has come from this particular publisher. So I pay him the conveyance. Okay. So I can also see how a publisher is performing for me. So here, if you see, I have created multiple program terms, and into a program term, I can associate multiple of my publishers. Say, so program term says on what basis am I going to pay my publisher. And to a program term, I can include multiple websites. Say multiple, each of the website is going to be each of my publisher. And here I get to understand how the applications has been performing, what is the status of that. So I have options in the tool. The tool is provided with a good analytics that would help me manage my publishers based on their status. So when I say manage by status, I get to understand what are all the organizations that I have tied up with. I can filter the program terms which are on active and which are all in pending applications. Yes, I can create my dashboard that is expected for me, and I can get to see what is the earnings that I have acquired from each of my publishers. So this would give me an understanding of whether I am going to continue this relationship with that particular publisher or not. So here I get to understand the country and what is the state of this organization, how it is working for me. If I find that I always get customers only from a certain region, I can plan to cut off my relationship with the affiliates or publishers who are from other regions, and I can start focusing more on the region which is working out for my particular product. Say, especially for my product, we have found UK and US region to be the most happening, because in India, it is people are still yet to understand what Azure is, what serverless is, whereas I have a product for serverless services. So I love to target the right influencers from the right region to get the best out of it. It is also possible for me to create groups. I can put a multiple of my publishers into a group. Say an example that I just mentioned, you can have publishers from a certain region forming an group. So this can give an clarity on which region is working the best for me. Say if I am an service provider targeting multiple domains. Same. I have people who are e-commerce, banking, and I want to segregate my publishers also into various segments. I can categorize them or group them according to the domain they are working with. So these are certain robust capabilities that we get from a tool like CJ Affiliate, which will help us manage your publishers a better way. So it is also possible to find out a publisher, a potential publisher from across the world somewhere. Like you might not even personally know them, but you can reach out to them through a tool like this. It can connect you when you say, so this is my domain that I am looking for. It can present you with the publishers who have got good amount of traffic, and we can take up the relationship to the next level. And there is something called links. So links can help you establish a connection with your publishers. Say you can always see which publisher has been working the best for you. So here I get the list of my publishers, their website address, and how their performance has been. So CJ Performer as a tool has the inbuilt analytics that can help me identify which association is working best for me. So it shows what has been the network earnings. So in the last 7 days, I have acquired 106.31. That is the affiliate has acquired this much amount, which means I have got an earning through this affiliate, which is beyond this, isn't it? So this particular Team National is working the best for my business. So that is the learning that I can understand from this dashboard. So I can associate multiple of my websites, which is of various categories. I can understand in detail, like what is this Team National has been, and their complete description and my details are in handy. Say these are the information with which they have registered themselves as publisher to CJ Affiliate. So I get complete access to what is their background and how this program is something that connects me and my affiliate, how this program has been working for me over a period of time. So all these analytics is made possible through a robust tool like CJ Affiliate. Otherwise, it's hard for me to understand how fruitful this relationship has been. So this tool gives me the information that is required for me to understand the success of my affiliation with this particular publisher. I can visit the website of this particular publisher right from here, and I can decide whether it is going to be a good relationship or not. So this particular screen would give me all the capabilities to filter your publishers based on their earnings or their region or the geographic source, publisher classification. So all these are the inherent capabilities of this tool that can help me identify the right affiliate from across the world. So once I have established this relationship, I can manage links for the publishers to promote my products. That is, what is that they will have to show about my product. So that is something I will have to give them, isn't it? So if I let them talk about what is that they will have to show about my product, it's not going to work. So I will give them the content, the link that they will have to display in their website that talks about my product, which would be impressive for my target audience. Like my target audience should look at it, the actual ad content. what needs to be shared with the affiliate can be managed through the links in CJ Affiliate. Yes. So you can perform operations that would help you manage, say, and every item can have a description, and these keywords is completely up to us. We know what works best for our product. So associate the keywords, target the groups, language, and give an test URL, that is where the post will be accessible, and share it with the publisher. So you can get to do everything within this tool itself. So you manage your publishers, identify with whom are you going to affiliate with, and like what is your program terms that's being defined. You track how the relationship has been working, and you give them the content of what advertisement has to be put in about your product through this tool itself. And once this has been done, like once the advertisement is going on and it is working really good for your business, you also have the capability to generate reports and understand how it has been working for your business. So you have option to review your product feed items. You can at any point in time manage your feed items from the link section itself. And the next section is about the reports. So once I have this journey happening, I need to relook. Continuous tracking is always necessary when we are doing any marketing or any activity as such. Continuous monitoring or tracking is very much necessary. So this tool has got even that. So you can create reports based on the performance, the transaction, the balance details, or if you have initiated any promo codes, say for if you find that traffic to a particular publisher is working really well. So you can design a special promo code. If you sign up through this portal, you get a certain percentage of discount on your annual pricing. Such promo codes can be shared, and you can evaluate how it has worked for, like what was your earning out of this particular role. And say here you can understand what has been the publisher's commission, and obviously the affiliate platform will also take a particular fee for that, and the total commission that we have paid, and what is the total sale amount. All those can be understood right from here. It will give you a complete picture about how has the trend of this program has been. And next comes the transactions. Like obviously when the whole thing is driven by the commission that we pay for our affiliate. So how do you maintain that? So you can define even the transaction right here. So this tool has got the capability to manage, review the commission and the transaction query. So you can decide and define on what is the parameter on which you are paying the commission and how much do you pay, what is the ID of your publisher and what is your merchant ID. All those can be managed. I was mentioning, you can also define promo codes. So if a publisher has been working really good for me, so any signups through that publisher can be awarded with a promotional code that adds an additional advantage to increase the sale through that particular publisher. So this tool is really robust and it has got all that you need to manage this whole process or the whole journey of affiliate marketing. So you can also run email campaigns through this particular tool. So it has got everything at one place along with insights. Say when you want to understand how this has been working over a period of time, you have got the insights that can be managed from right from here. Say I can define the pay per call. I can have an insights on the happenings over a period of time. Say how has the trend of revenue been? Is it working good? Publishers commissions, how much have I paid as publisher commission over a period of time? How many clicks have I got out of that? And how the action trend has been. So these insights are also available to us. So this is indeed an great platform to manage this complete journey. So what is this complete journey? We just saw how a tool can help me manage this relationship. So let us try to understand what is the process of this affiliate marketing. So now let us have a look at the process. Okay. So it's affiliate marketing time. So I decide that I'm going to choose affiliate marketing for my tool. So use a tool or a platform like Commission Junction, or what we just saw, this that is Commission Junction, or you can also choose other tools, which there are a number of competitive tools available to look for affiliates that can advertise your product. We just saw under the publishers section, you had an option to search for your affiliate. You can search for affiliates who are relevant to your business and you can identify them. Right? So this is a tool that I walked you through till now. And other similar tools are like Amazon Associates. I'll also show you Amazon Associates. I would say this is more from an individual's perspective. That is, say, me as an individual. If I want to be an affiliate, then Amazon Associates is a wonderful platform for me to start off with. So each one of you can choose to be an you to choose yourself as an affiliate. There is some amount of groundwork that you'll have to do, but once you are an influencer, you can start becoming an Amazon associate. I'll walk you through that as well. There are also other tools like Impact Radius, Max Bounty, Avon, and Trade Doubler. So all these tools pretty much have similar capabilities. They will let you identify publishers, establish relationship with them, define a program term, track and monitor or make the payment through the portal itself. So these are some other platforms, alternates that is being available. And the next step is to set up the rules, guidelines, image specifications, commission values, etc. for the affiliates. So I just showed you how the CJ tool itself can help us do everything. So the rules are nothing but the program terms that we saw. So you can define on what basis the commission would be paid to your affiliate, and you can define what are all the ad content. Through the links, you can say what is the content that the advertiser or the affiliate is expected to show on behalf of me on my product. And you can say, mention all the specifications and even the commission values that you can mention in the paper call section of the tool. The next is the merchant provides specifications such as the type of the creative that can be used. We saw in the link section, the text present in the advertisement, image specifications, referral links, and commission percentage, and much more can be provided by us as an from the merchant side or from the advertiser side. And say this is an example. So you can specify what is the picture that I need to put, what should be the name of the product, what is the text that I need to give. Nikon D750 DSLR full frame camera with 24-120 mm VR lens. So all these are within our scope. What is the price, and a referral link with an UTM will help us identify from which publisher I have got this deal. So all these, so this get this deal can be a special promotional code that gives an defined the $30 discount on this price. So I can define all that with the help of this tool. Yeah. So this is a process of the second process. So the first process is identifying your affiliate. Second process is defining the content that I need my affiliate to advertise about my product. So the commission that each affiliate would receive is also mentioned. Let's look at the scenario where an affiliate receives 15% commission for each product purchased through his referral code. So here the customer clicks on a referral link from an affiliate's website. So the website has an corner which displays the advertisement of this product, and the customer clicks on that particular referral link. We would have done this unintentionally. So the next time when you do this, remember that the background is affiliate marketing that's happening. So the customer clicks on the link and the customer buys the product. The affiliate gets a commission of $4.20 because the product is worth $27.97. He gets a 50% commission. So this is how the affiliate marketing network would work. Affiliates apply to advertise on your behalf. So this also happens. So we saw how we identify the publishers. So the other way is also possible. You might get proposals from affiliates to requesting to advertise on your behalf. So affiliates can contact you through the affiliate network. So there is a platform through the affiliate network also establishes the two-ways connectivity. So affiliates can reach out to us through a page you have set up on your site, especially for affiliates. So you can create an page especially for the affiliates to reach out to you. So here is my product website, and I have a dedicated page that calls in for any invitations for marketing. Yes. So select the affiliate that's best suited for your brand. Yeah, you can select an affiliate from the ones that has, yes, I've applied for your affiliate program. So this can be based on how much traffic that the affiliate's website gets, how successful is his or her previous affiliate campaigns were. That I can find from the CJ platform. Like it would give me, when I get into a particular affiliate, I can see their track records. I can evaluate how successful they have been in their previous campaigns. I can choose whether to have an engagement with them or not. If he or she is okay with the commission offered, then you can establish the connectivity. So that is how it works. So what happens next? The customer clicks on the ad. So once we establish a connection with the affiliate and provide them the content on what they will have to provide as an advertisement, the customer now clicks on the ad or the link, which sends the users to the merchant website. So from the ad, they land up into the my dedicated website. Say you, for example, say you get into Facebook, you find an website, an advertisement for Reliance Trends, and you click on that, you land up on the Reliance website, you complete your purchase. But where did you come from? A specific Facebook page URL, right? So that page, which has been registered as an affiliate through to Reliance Trends, would get an commission out of it. So here is an example. So the see it call to action will direct you to the page where you can buy the software. So there is a call to action that is placed at the website, which is the Pinnacle Studio. This is an affiliate who has got an see it, which is in call to action. The moment I click on see it, I would be landed to the actual portal wherein I will sign up and then purchase. So after customer makes a purchase on the merchant website, the affiliate network records the details of this transaction. So this affiliate network's responsibility is also to record this so that the merchant cannot deny commission to my affiliate. So the transaction is validated and credited to the affiliate. So this is how the complete affiliate marketing is working. So the affiliate is then paid his or her commission. So that is a success. So it's a win-win situation. So the merchant is also rewarded with a sale and the affiliate is rewarded with a commission. And what happens to the affiliate network? Of course, they also have a fee associated with them. It could be either be an subscription cost or an commission, just like an this. So even Swiggy takes away an commission fee for connecting the delivery agent, for connecting the hotel and the consumer, right? Something similar to that. And like this, the whole process repeats itself. So once you have set the network, that solves the problem. It takes care of this continuous generation of revenue for the merchant and also the commissions for the affiliate. So what are the advantages of being able to select an affiliate that's relevant to a brand. So I cannot just choose somebody or random people to represent my product, right? So what is an advantage of choosing the right affiliate? So you can choose an affiliate best suited to represent your brands and products. So when I am working on a product in the Azure space, I should choose a person who is influential in the Azure space. Only then it would make sense. Say if a person with no knowledge on Azure goes and say that, go buy this product, people will not pay attention to that. Instead, say if there is an Azure MVP who has got sufficient certifications or the authority to talk about this Azure platform, he goes and says, here is a product which I have tried out and it has proved to make my life better. Go ahead and then start using it. People who are learning Azure would definitely pay attention to that. So that is how you have to choose an affiliate who's best suited to represent your brand and the products. So wrong choice of affiliate can put you down. Like if the affiliate doesn't have an authority or credibility, if they have in the past represented wrong products, it is not going to work for us. So you will have to pay attention to choose the right affiliate who would best suit to represent your brand or the product. And you only need to pay a commission if a conversion takes place. So that is out of my head, so I need not worry about it. Like if there is a successful sale, or as per my program term definition, only if there is a sign up or registration, then I am going to pay the commission to the affiliate. Is the affiliate audience are more likely to be interested in your product. So you have to choose the affiliate in such a way. So if I choose an Azure MVP as my affiliate, if he has a website with 1 million followers, all those are my potential customers. So the affiliates audience are more likely to be interested on the product that I develop for them. So choose your affiliate appropriately. So this system works on a semi-automatic basis. So you should have tracking on that. I won't say that you create everything, leave it. That's not the way it's going to work. But it is semi-automated. Like at regular periods, go review the reports, check who has done well for us, who has done less for us, which region has worked. Make use of the insights that the tool provides to understand how things are working, make necessary changes, modify your ad content, choose which ad content has worked the best for you. So all these has to be done, but it facilitates me with a major overhead of identifying the right affiliates and taking my product to the right audience. So this system works on a semi-automatic basis. So now we have understood what is affiliate marketing, why do we need that, who are all the important components involved in that: a merchant, an affiliate, a consumer, the affiliate network. So we drilled deep into each of these concepts, and then we saw how exactly affiliate marketing process happens right from the beginning till the end. Like how does you identify an affiliate, you provide them the appropriate content to be projected on behalf of you about your product, take them to make the affiliates audience as your potential customers, and make them sign up to your product. Once on a successful sale, based on the program term that we defined, you pay your affiliate. So this process repeats, and the revenue keeps flowing in for your product, and the commission gets added into the affiliate's account. This is from the merchant's perspective. So what are some tips for success in affiliate monitoring? So now that you know how the affiliate marketing works, here are some tips on how you can get better at affiliate marketing. Yeah. So provide competitive rates to attract successful affiliates. So being stringent cannot always help, right? So at times, wherever you need to spend, you need to spend. So be very when you find an affiliate is performing promising, you better be ready to provide competitive rates. gamify your compensations into tiers to reward best performing affiliates. So you can create an internal competition among your affiliates. Say if you have chosen 50 affiliates, and you can run some gamification. You can run an email campaign that says that those who bring in maximum of their maximum sales or maximum returns is going to get an extra benefit. You would get an extra compensation. So such gamification would encourage your affiliates to promote your products in a better way. Maintain a good relationship with your affiliates with regular communication. So though there is a tool through which you can reach out, as said, you create a dedicated page for your affiliates wherein you have a communication platform. Say with the nature of our product, we engage with a number of Azure MVPs across the world. So we have an annual conference called Integrate, which happens at UK and as well at US, and that is dedicated for a 3-day conference wherein we involve the Azure MVPs from across the world. We represent our product. That is how we build relationship. We organize casual dinners with them. We talk about it, and we stay in connect through webinars, through regular communications. We promote their content. So that is all offline. Like we collect their resources and we publish them in our website. So maintain a very good relationship with your affiliates with a regular communication. So that would help you take your business to the next level. Set up the ground rules regarding the liberties affiliates can take with your brand. So you have to be very clear about how you expect them to pitch your brand, because ultimately what they take forward to the consumers is our brand. So set up the ground rules very clearly on what basis are they going to take your product further. Be flexible with your budget, provided it generates sales and profits. So at the one of the first points said, be liberal on the compensations that you provide. You provide and competitive compensation. Yes, and you would also have a flexible budget which is based on the sales and profits. Always have an eye on what do you get out of it. Evaluate your return on investment at regular intervals. Provide promotional ideas and taking points to new affiliates to nurture them. Say you out of your experience over a period of time, you would have had definite learnings from the best performing affiliates. Pass it on to the new affiliates, nurture them, like give back to them on how they can be the best or the most performing affiliates. Enhance your promotions with the product information that affiliates can create a buzz around. So you should always complement your affiliates through your contents, promotional contents that we deliver to them. The links that we create, those should be of the adequate standard so that the customers who see those advertisements believe that this product is of competing standard. So that you will have to create. So this brings us to the explanation of affiliate marketing from an enterprise perspective. So we understood what is affiliate marketing, what are the various components in affiliate marketing, what is the whole process involved in affiliate monitoring, and along with the tips for achieving this. So if you observe, the whole presentation was from the perspective of a merchant, especially those who have an enterprise standard product, and how I can ensure the product reaches my right audience and I capitalize my return on investment. So that has been the complete idea behind this presentation till now. Yes. So, but as I said you, this affiliate monitoring is not only for it is not only for people like investors or people who have their product to sell, right? There was also another persona that was involved in, that is an affiliate. That is, can I be an affiliate? Say I am a normal individual, like most of you who are attending this workshop, or students who have got an who are looking for an opportunity to earn. So is there a possibility for me to become an affiliate and earn commission from the merchants across the world? Is that possible? So part of the answer we have already discussed as we talked about. So it is possible to become a publisher. Yes. So from the CJ's point of view, more brands, more opportunity, and more growth. That is what they have for publishers. So as the industry trusted leader for over 20 years, this CJ affiliate has got a network that can seamlessly monetize the business to scale up and tap into unparalleled data expertise and connect with more world-class brands. That is, so if you see that you are an influencer in your space, say, for example, say if your passion is cooking, okay, you run an blog wherein you talk about food across the world. You are a food blogger. Okay, you are the most happening food blogger who has got a number of followers across the world. Say, let me show you here. How does it work? So Amazon Associate is a wonderful platform wherein you as an individual can try to project yourself as an affiliate, and you can recommend products and earn advertising fees. So if you ask me, can I start right away? I would say no, you have to project yourself as an influencer. So let us see from what Amazon Associates affiliate marketing program is. So it's one of the largest affiliate marketing programs in the world. We all know that Amazon is the largest e-commerce platform across the world, is Amazon.com. And the .com is a really competitive platform when it comes to affiliate marketing program, whereas Amazon.in has almost zero competition. Like not many people are aware of such an marketing program, affiliate marketing program. So this is some place. This is a place where you can explore and exploit. So the Amazon Associates program will help content creators, publishers, and bloggers to monetize their traffic. So if you have a website, or if you have blogs which has got significant traffic, or you are a content creator, you have a steady traffic to your website or to your blogs, then you can monetize that traffic into your commissions. So with the millions of products and programs available on Amazon, associates use an easy link building tool to direct their audience to their recommendations and earn from qualifying purchases and programs. Say if I am writing an food blog, I say that baking, I'm sharing a recipe of cake baking. So for baking, I need certain tools, a hand blender or an cake designer kit, or an baking pan, an heart-shaped baking pan is something that I'm using. So I can direct, say if this particular blog has got significant traffic, I can add link building tools. I can add links to buy these products from Amazon in my blog. So as a person reads through it's a practical scenario, right? I read through a blog, I find that the equipment used here, I do not have it, but it is available in Amazon at an affordable price. So what would I do? I would say click and purchase. So when somebody does this from your blog, then you get paid for the commission. So how do I start off this journey? This all appears to be really appealing, right? But the base for this is an authentic content that you should already have. Yeah. So here I can sign up, join the tens of thousands of creators, publishers, and blogs who are earning with Amazon Associates program. Share millions of products with your audience. We have customized linking tools for large publishers, individual bloggers, and social media influencers. So once you sign up, you get access to this tool, which will help you generate a link with your customized URL. So that would help the merchant or Amazon. So this is exclusively for Amazon, right? So you are going to promote a product that is found in Amazon, and you earn a fee for being an affiliate, and earn up to 10% in affiliate fees from qualifying purchases and programs. Our competitive conversion rates helps maximize your earnings. So based on the conversion rate, the more you give them the business, you get more rewarded. So let us also understand a bit more about this. How does the associate program work? You can share the products and available programs on Amazon with your audience through customized links, tools, and earn money on qualifying purchases. And customer actions like signing up for a free trial would get you the rewards. Yes. So you earn from qualifying purchases to the traffic you drive to Amazon. And how do you qualify? So this is where you need to pay attention to. Like, when should I say I am qualified to be an and publisher here? You should have your own website, or you should be a blogger who has published their blogs in platforms like WordPress. Like, when we talk about the next session, the AdSense, I will throw light on what are all the various contents that you can create that can help you become an potential affiliate, or an potential which can bring in like opportunities to monetize your content. Yeah. So that is, you have to project yourself as one of the publishers, or there is another opportunity to become an influencer as well. See, if you have an established social media following, when we say social media following, it could be Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. When you find that you have a significant number of followers, and anything that is put in your page would reach out to millions of people, then also you can choose to you are qualified for this program. You can sign up and then start recommending products and earn advertising fees associated with those products. So this brings us to the end of the content that I had for this session. So I am now open for questions on this topic. So how should I understand this silence to be? So what does this silence mean? Should I continue with the next topic as such?
Shall I have the small break? 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or continue? Otherwise, no problem. If you want, you can have water, get everything, coffee, anything. Have and come.
Yes. So Sumati ma'am, should we announce a 10 minutes of break and then continue with the next topic?
Yes, ma'am, we can have a short break.
Yeah, I hope this part was really interesting, and I assume everybody is still with me. Let's have a break for 10 minutes and we'll catch up at 4 o'clock sharp. Yeah. Thank you. Hi everyone. Can you all hear me good? Thanks, Vasundhara. So may I give 3 more minutes for everybody to join so that we'll kickstart with this second half on Google AdSense. Are we good to start, people? Yeah, I think I have got a question from Vasunthra Devi, or what is the difference between pay-per-click and affiliate marketing? So in affiliate marketing program terms, you can define pay-per-click as an program term. So that is, I would say pay-per-click is an program term in affiliate marketing. Yeah. So are we good to start with Google AdSense? Yes. So thank you, Vasundhara Devi. Yeah. I take this silence as a confirmation to proceed further. And let me share my screen now. So what is this Google AdSense? So let me show you an interesting scenario. Okay, so I am interested in traveling across the world. And travel is one of my passions. So and not at a scenario like this wherein we cannot even step out to our native place. So, but let me search for something like there is an island called Bora Bora, which is very famous for shark attacks. So, so I'm searching for some content in Google, which we do day in and day out for many reasons, isn't it? So I searched for sharks in Bora Bora. So I'm interested in trying to understand what is there and virtual tour to Bora Bora. So I get a website called Travel Croc, organically ranked because there is no ad running on this this particular website, and I get to land up on a portal, right? I get into this particular page. So this is going to give me authentic content on Bora Bora. Yeah. The moment I landed here, there is a prime spot that has been dedicated for an advertisement. So it's for a website for English language learners. Don't like to read, then read what you like, can't comprehend still, then begin with what you can. Okay, this seems to be some learning website. Yeah. So there is an advertisement of Unleash Inc. So this is a website, and there seems to be an ad of something of my interest. Yes. So all these advertisements are based on my browsing history, right? So whatever I had been searching for, I might have looked for an jewelry online, or I might have looked for some courses for my kid to engage with. So that has cost me to but right now I was just looking for sharks in Bora Bora. I landed up into a website. I am reading through a blog, and within the blog, I find that there were advertisements that would be of interest to me based on the previous of my browsing histories. Yes. So this is Google AdSense has to do with. That is, it is showing me sensible ads that Google thinks that would be relevant to me based on my previous engagements or searches. You pretty much engage with Google everywhere, isn't it? So if we say my day is ending without Google search, it's an astonishing statement nowadays, because every one of us in one or the other way get engaged with Google components. So that is how the underlying infrastructure of Google AdSense is so powerful. Like, you cannot escape from Google, from whatever you are dealing with in your online platforms. So with that knowledge, it is going to render me the right content that I would be looking for, the right ads that I'm looking for. So this core brain is Google AdSense. This is from a consumer's perspective. That is, I landed up on a page, I get to see an ad. So if I decide to buy something from here, say I find that this bangle is looking awesome, so I'm going to click here, which means I am traversing to this tribe website from this Travel Croc, right? This Travel Croc guy had showed me this ad, and AdSense does. That is, I as an website owner, this travelcroc.com's website owner can engage with Google AdSense to display ads based on the user's persona. So depending on, so if they ask me whether the particular Travelcroc website owner knows me, no, not really. He might be sitting somewhere in Europe and I am here in India, who doesn't have any knowledge about me. But there is a platform in between which tries to land me up on his web blog. And when I landed up on the blog, I am delivered with ads that would be of interest to me. So who is the brain behind it? The Google AdSense is the brain behind it, who identifies this would be a product that would be relevant to this particular user. That's purely based on the insights that it has collected based on my previous browsing history. So what I have bought through Google Chrome's browser. Yes, so it is giving me the appropriate ads and it is directing me to that website. So what is the advantage for this website owner is he gets an fee, that is for traversing me through a merchant site. From here he gets an when this ad is capitalized into a sale, he gets a commission out of it. Who pays that commission? Google Ads does that. So we are going to drive this session on Google AdSense from the perspective of this website owner. See, if you are this website owner, how do you ensure that anybody who searches for a content lands up into your page? That is your first goal, isn't it? So there are number of articles on sharks in Bora Bora, but why does this particular content come in the first? So only when, so it's our nature that only the one which comes at the first would get opened, right? So when I search for an keyword, when I get number of articles, I pay the highest attention to the first article, isn't it? So first and foremost aim of mine to earn through Google AdSense. So obviously Google AdSense is a platform wherein you can capitalize your passion into your business. Okay, so let us see how do you do that? How is it even possible for me to convert my passion into my profession? Like, how do I make sure that Google search renders my article as the topmost article so that any user would land up on my page, and if they click on my ad, then I get paid. It's not even completion of the sale. Even if they click on the ad, they get an benefit out of it. That is, the website owner gets a benefit out of it. So if you observe, the content here matters. That is, though many has written about sharks in Bora Bora, this content is found to be authentic, and this content is found to be useful for many of my users, many of the Google users. So that is why it has been organically ranked as the first content in my Google search. So for which definitely the author would have done a lot of background work. So first we need to understand, how do I create an authentic content? So once I have an authentic content, what Google AdSense can help me with? So you can turn your passion into profit. So AdSense is a free, simple way to earn money by placing ads on your website. So once you organically draw traffic into your website, when I say organically, you are not spending any money. You have got a very good content and people find it very relevant. So whenever they read their article, your article's rating gets improved, and over a period of time, your article comes in the first page result of Google search. So once you have achieved that, then you have an capability, or you have the opportunity to capitalize it to earn money for you. Okay, so that is where Google AdSense can help us. So a few reasons why almost 2 million people have chosen AdSense. So let us see what are all the key benefits behind choosing AdSense. As we all know, Google AdSense has got a huge user base, which is equivalent to more than 2 million people. Why have they chosen this? The right odds for your audience. Okay, so this is an cookery blog, right? So anybody who is coming into this cookery blog is going to have, would be interested in ordering the crockery sets or the spices. So here I get the right ads for my audience. So understanding who understands the audience, the Google AdSense understands. It understands the ideology of the audience, the persona of the audience, and it delivers them the right ads. So which will increase the probability of them clicking on order now, which will in turn help you get the benefits out of it. Yes, so ads are reviewed to ensure they have high quality and relevant to your content or audience. So it should be relevant to your content as well as to the audience that is looking into your content. Yes, even when viewed on smartphones or tablets, the result should be the same. That is, there is something called responsive design. So nowadays, most of the online contents are being viewed in multiple platforms, right? I have a mobile phone, which is just hand length long. I have a laptop with a pretty much larger screen, or it could be a tablet with an intermediate screen size. So irrespective of the screen size, the ads should be visible the right way. So Google AdSense takes up the responsibility of making the ads being responsive. So it will restrict the users. It will recommend the right size of the image and what should be the right keywords that would help customers convert through this ad. So all these intelligence is being provided by Google AdSense for the merchants. And when they post their ad through your blog, the conversion rate would be more. Yeah. You are in control. Say, when you log into Google AdSense, you get an interface like this, wherein you have a dedicated page for allow and block ads. Though multiple of the customers or multiple of the merchants have exhibited, expressed their interest to advertise, you have in control over your ads. Like you can get to see what are all the potential ads that can be displayed in your blog, and you can choose to opt out on certain blogs. Like you can review them and you can customize what are all the ads that should appear and choose which types fit to you the best. Say in my blog content, if these are the spaces that I have allocated for advertisement, I can restrict the ad contents to be of only that particular sites. So I can block those which I do not want to be present in my website. And only the highest paying ads go live. So though many of them have expressed their interest to publish an ad in your website or blog, only those ads which has got, say if this is a space that I am bidding for, and most of the advertisers have are bidding for this prime space. That is, the moment we landed into this article, this is a prime space. This is a space this particular blogger has dedicated for advertisements. So if this this ad unleashing is the ad which has given the highest bid to be present at the prominent space. So that the blogger gets the maximum benefit out of publishing this ad. So these nitty-gritties are being taken care of by Google AdSense. So only the highest paying ads would go live. So these internal details or suggesting the best way to earn money is all being taken care of by Google AdSense. And you always have a control on what you want to show to your audience. And with these benefits, and you can start off with zero. Like you need not pay anything when you start off with Google AdSense. So once you start reaping the benefits, then you would realize the power of the Google AdSense. And there has been a number of success stories who has achieved their passion into an profession. Like if you travel is your passion, write travel blogs and make sure that you subscribe to Google AdSense and receive ads and earn out of it. So having said this, so this assumes that you need an authentic content which has got organic ranking in Google search, right? So it is necessary for us to understand how do you create this authentic content, isn't it? So there is no smoke without fire, isn't it? So if I do not have an authentic content, I'm not going to generate revenue out of it. So to make use of Google AdSense, I would say an authentic content is an prerequisite. So let us try to learn how can we create an authentic content. So only then you can capitalize your content to monetization is possible out of your content. So let us try to understand what is a content and what are all the strategies that I will have to follow to build an authentic content. So the first and foremost thing is know your audience. So your content can be around anything, right? So let me show you a few examples. Okay. Say I have decided to go ahead with a blog. Okay. So this Make My Trip is an very well-known travel platform. Travel, hotel, and accommodation is their primary area. Okay. So they have an travel blog section. That is, they have a number of blogs being written on various topics. Okay, so who are their audience? Their audience would be people who want to travel around the world or around the city. So their blogs should be pretty much casual. That is a way connect to your customers, and you have to talk about the most happening things now. So list of countries. So they understand that I am from India. So they have a blog on list of countries offering visa on arrival for Indians in 2020. So this is an most critical information for me to know when I am landing up on Make My Trip. And if you observe, the first paragraph of the blog will tell me what I can expect in this. So let us read out this first paragraph. It says, there was a time when planning a holiday abroad meant first having to deal with the hassle of applying for visa. Those dreadful queues, the never-ending documents, the inquisitive questions, and then that long wait for the much-awaited piece of paper, the visa. You are licensed to travel, but not anymore, with many countries offering visa on arrival to Indian passport holders now. So this first paragraph itself gives me an gist of what I can expect in the throughout this article, right? So this is how an authentic content should be. And here, if you observe, they have written this article for people who are intending to travel abroad. And this is a kind of casual platform, right? My exploration is towards my leisure time. How do I expect to travel? Let me also show you a technical platform. So this is my own product, wherein we have a dedicated blog section wherein we talk about technical topics, right? So here is one of our blogs from an Ashar MVP who talks about this. This is going to be a 3-part blog post season. So we will describe the different development tools that are available for different development approaches that we can use to create how Logic Apps. And for each portal approach or tool, we will describe these points. So this is more on a professional standpoint. I say from the professional or for the professional audience, it is written from a technically sound person. So you can make out the tone and the construction of the articles, right? So here you can expect a number of screenshots, the code snippets, which are more for technical audience. Whereas here you can look for attractive pictures that would, with the links to book your flights to their destinations. So there is a clear demarcation between the kind of blogs, the type of audience that these blogs are targeting to. So that is exactly what we are trying to say here. The first and foremost requirement before you build your content. So one type of content that I showed you is a blog. So content would be of different types, which we would see as we proceed further. And whatever be the type of your content, you should know your audience. That is the first and foremost thing. Whom are you targeting? Who is going to be the recipient of this content? That is the most important part of building your content. Yes. So how can I know my audience? Like, you have tools available that can help you achieve this hard task at ease. Like, you can collect demographics of your target audience based on your website visitors, email subscribers, and social media followers. So you will have a social media page, you will have a dedicated website. The website hosting solution will have the analytics to let you know from which region do you get the maximum number of visitors, Who are your email subscribers? Are they enterprise users? Are they travel and are they from casual email IDs, which who are travel freaks? So you can identify and understand or create an user persona for your actual content. Yeah. For a successful content marketing strategy, you need to know your audience and segment them based on their interest. So what would be their stage of customer life cycle? Say, are they in the initial phase? So what we do is, in our scenario, we will have various segments which says that based on their Azure adoption. So if they are very new to Azure, we will serve them with a different content. If they have if they have number of integrations in Azure, then we will have to give them with and pretty much advanced content. So you will have to segment your audience and serve them with the right content so that they find the information to be relevant. So one of some of the examples here are on segmenting your audiences: age. Say, from this range to this range, you will have to feed them with this content. Yes. Gender, education, income, and interest. So these are certain parameters on which you can segment your audience and serve them with the relevant content. So this would enhance your ranking of your content on the platforms like Google search. Yeah. For example, you can get demographic information using Google Analytics. Google Analytics can help you understand what is the source of your audience are, what is their age-wise segregation, what gender do they belong to, can be observed from Google Analytics. You have Facebook page insights. Say, if you have a Facebook page, you can try to understand demographic information from Facebook page insights that will help you understand what is the split up of your audience by age group, by gender, and what was their engagement and all. Yeah. And you can also use Twitter analytics. When you are active in Twitter, you get to understand how many have completed their high school, like what is their educational qualification. So all those information can be collected from Twitter analytics. So with such tools in the market, try to identify your audience and segment them to serve them with the right content. This second point is the most important point. He create an high quality content. So this is a very generic term, isn't it? So how do I create an high quality content? What defines it to be an high quality content? So let us define some parameters that would help you define a high quality content, create a high quality content. So increase in brand awareness. So you have a brand, yes. So you need to make sure that your brand is being made aware, like people are aware of your brand in the target audience. Increase in traffic and social media shares will increase your quality of the content, and improves website ranking, improves website dwell time, and gaining leads. So this is what an high quality content would help you with. So when I target, like when with my product, okay, when you see, we'd have a lot of content, but not all of them talk about the product. Yes. So we talk about the technology for which the product has been built. Same is the case with Make My Trip. So they are not talking about the offers as a prime parameter. They are talking about the space that they are working on, the travel space. Say, if you are in India, where is that? They are just trying to educate me on where I can choose to travel at this situation, which are all the countries that welcome the tourists. So this is how you can educate your audience and create a brand awareness. You should create an impression that if I have to travel, then I have to check Make My Trip. If I am in Azure, then I will have to land up in Serverless 360. So that is the impression that we'll have to create. That is was increasing your brand awareness. Let the world know that there is a brand called this, which is an ideal place for authentic content. This ultimately will increase traffic and social media shares. When they find that your high quality content is helpful, they would share it. Like people would say, you want to learn logic apps, refer to this article. It has got a very good example and it tells you in the most efficient way of using them. Yes, so that is how you will have to increase the traffic within high quality content. Ultimately, when traffic increases, your website ranking increases. And website dwell time is how long people get attached to your website. So that will get increased, and you can gain leads. So it's in general for content, not only for blogs. So when I say content, it includes videos, ebooks, white papers, and research articles, blogs. All of them are contents. So whatever may be your content, create them with utmost quality and ensure that all these goals are achieved. So how do I do that? So we have seen what is the benefit of high quality content. How can I actually do that? You can brainstorm topics and terms. Yes. And use a keyword research tool to gather results. What is this keyword research tool? Google itself has a keyword analyzer. So if you want to understand how does a term performs, you can make use of that tool to understand how many people research about this particular keyword. Say, let me check if I can show you. Say even here, okay, we can find out how many people are looking for this particular keyword. Google Keyword Planner as a tool name. So it can help you grow your business with Google Ads. So you can like evaluate which is the topic that I can choose, which is a keyword that I should have in my blog so that more people land upon my space. Say I am just starting with writing my blogs. Okay, so these are my interested keywords. Say I work on Azure Space, so I try to look for the keywords that I have to place in my article so that it reaches out to more people. So it gives me an idea of a potential audience size. And it also gives me suggestions. Say Azure Storage is one of the services that is being used by most of the people. So include that in your article. That will help the article to be reached out to more number of people. So that is how this keyword planner can help me out. Say I can even search for any other keywords, like say if I want to say Thailand. Yeah. Thailand is a keyword that I want to look for. So it says 16,000 people are looking at it. So it is also allowing me to suggesting me with some other keywords that would increase the audience size. So I say Bangkok, I can say it can reach out to 18,000. So let me add Thailand tourism. It is increasing. So this is how you can choose a niche content topic. Like you'll have to find out what is your passion, what is that you're passionate about talking or letting the world know your knowledge on. Can choose that and then go ahead. Say if Azure is my cup of tea, I would say this is what I want to write on. So I find that I have an opportunity to reach out to 5,52,141 people when I write an article with the keyword Azure. Say Azure Service Bus is what I'm targeting. So I can search for that particular keyword and that would increase my visibility to more people. Yes. So see how to increase your potential audience. Target larger area to reach more people. Choose a product or service that is less specific but still appropriate to your business. So I should make sure I have the keyword, say Microsoft Azure. It says Azure Service Bus is more specific, so it very only less people with more technical knowledge would know about it. So it is giving me suggestion of choose and wider keyword. So what is a platform that provides the service bus? Give that. Let us check if more people know that. So more people know about Azure. So say you can find a drastic increase in the potential audience size. So with this keyword planner, I can choose an appropriate theme in which I am strong enough, in which I am confident that I can give an high quality content, and I can go ahead and create my authentic content. So that is use a keyword research tool to gather your results. Yeah. Create original content. So it is like most often, if when there is a requirement to write a blog, people would try to pull information from everywhere and stitch it and make it into an article. That is not the way you create a high quality content. You should have the authority on the topic, and you should deliver what is original. Like never copy or recreate a content from elsewhere. Create an original content. Creating compelling headlines. Like when I look through the article, let me show you one of my blogs. So when I get into Google and search for, so I can only give you examples from the technical part because I am a core technical person. So this is one of my blogs for my product, wherein, and as you observe, this would be the first article that I would get when I search for that particular domain. So which means this is an authentic content. So when I read this topic, like if you are a person working on this technology, you would know how critical it is, because let me tell you a scenario behind this. Say an application like Ola or Uber. So you book an Ola cab, right? And you get to see the status of your cab real time on your application. Or when you order your food in Swiggy, and you get to see like your food will arrive in 10 minutes, isn't it? How does this real time tracking made possible? So there is an reliable infrastructure behind it. There is an service like technology like Azure Event Hub, which is at the background, which fulfills this technical need. Yes. So every driver has a mobile phone in which they have an application that sends out telematic information to the server, that is an event hub, which collects this telematic information to understand where has the driver reached at this point in time. And me holding the client facing application, this event hub is passing on the information to me to know where the what is the distance between me and the driver. So this is a huge complex system underlying something like this, which would look like Greek and Latin for you. But what is this? What we are trying to convey is, here this content has proven to be authentic. So from the title, every headline should convince your user to read further. So that is our idea. We are saying ensure your active client device interaction through Azure Event Hub's monitoring. So if they use my product, they can ensure their client devices are in interaction with the Event Hub, which is critical for me to provide update to my end users. So every single topic should be compelling. Let us look into this blog. So every title has the name of this of the country that I can visit with the on arrival visa. So when I choose to read this article, my primary intention would be like, what are all those countries where I can travel and what is their significance. So they have given a compelling heading which will tell them, which will suffice the need of the reading audience. So you should have your audience in your mind. You should get into the shoes of your recipients when you build and content. Give valuable content to your readers. Don't just like move around the topic. You give an valuable content. When they're complete reading this article, they should have acquired certain knowledge that would help them for the rest of their life. That is how your content should be. Add resources from well-known sites. So if I am talking about an Microsoft's service, then I should have a link to the Microsoft's documentation, which will help them enhance their knowledge on that particular topic. Add resources to well-known sites which are authentic. That will also improve your domain authority, because the well-known sites would already have a better domain authority, and when you make use of them in your articles, you will have the probability of getting better domain authority. Create engaging and thought-provoking content. Follow a logical structure and use relevant images. So say when we read through the blog, it should have a proper content flow. So you create a problem statement, explain what is the problem, and then provide a solution. So that is how there should be a flow or logical structure, and there should be relevant images that would help your readers understand this concept, because always a picture speaks more than the words, right? So even even you write a long paragraph, people would lose interest in reading that. Instead, a picture in there, a relevant image, would add a lot of value to your content. Use different content forms. So not just the blogs alone. You cannot expect the blogs alone to work for your audience. You should have videos, you should have embedded images. Different content forms would help the content to reach out to the right set of audience, and you can, the probability of digesting the information would be more when you choose different content forms. Prefer short paragraphs to make the content readable, and update your content regularly. These are all very critical when you want to maintain the quality of the content. Avoid grammatical mistakes. So here is where you can rely on tools like Grammarly. So Grammarly is an excellent tool which can help us maintain and ensure your articles are created without any grammatical errors. So you can put in your content here, and if there are any errors, the Grammarly will suggest you grammatical errors, spelling mistakes. If any particular statement needs to be rewritten, that can be achieved with the help of a tool like Grammarly. So there are tools available to help you enhance your success, but it is within us to make use of them at appropriate places to fulfill our needs. Yeah? Create a content that fulfills the viewer's requirements. So when you build the content, look at it from the user's perspective and check if it fulfills the viewer's requirement. Use examples to clarify your content. Make your content visually appealing and add images from public domain sites. Prefer to give more information to your audience. So that is what will stay with them. So we saw how to know your audience and how to create a high quality content. The next step is, how do you check whether this high quality content has worked for your identified audience or not? So that is where testing will come into picture. So you will have to consistently run A/B tests. This cannot be skipped. A strategy for one of the domains might not work for the other domain. So you will have to A/B test it to ensure that your article is performing as expected. So there are 4 elements in a content that needs to be A/B tested. That is the images that we use, the content length, sign up forms, and call to actions. So this would differ with the domain, would differ with the target audience. That can be decided, what best works for you can be decided only by consistently running the A/B tests. So by performing A/B tests, the conversion rate can be really significant. So when it comes to images, use the appropriate images. Say here, in this case, there are 3 blocks which talks about, say, this is an image which is very relevant to the what I learned the first time I had to fire someone. So use the images that are very relevant or apt to the title that you are talking about. Content length, this will also vary with the target audience and the business domain that you are dealing with. So test your ideal content length. Check if a blog of 1500 words is working better, or a shorter blog on technical assistance works better. So you can use Google Analytics tool for helping on this. You can understand which of your contents have performed really well. Improve your sign up process and create a user friendly experience for your website visitors. Say these are called call to actions or sign up forms. So you can evaluate check what has worked the best, getting more information or reducing the number of informations, requesting like we did a number of A/B tests on whether to ask the user to verify the email before they proceed experience the tool, or should we cut it short, let them experience the tool for one day and then and then ask for email confirmation. So such A/B tests should be done. And this is CTAs. So call to action stands out from the rest of your content so that the font, color, etc. of the CTA button should be prominent. So it should not be like hidden from your actual action. Say if you observe in this blog, what are the CTAs? These are our CTAs. Book your flight to Cambodia here. So once I click on that, it will take me to and make my trips page wherein I can book and flight to Cambodia. So if you see, the two destination has already been set, and based on my present location, it has direct me to one location in India from where I have a flight to Cambodia. So even in this blog, if you see, there will be a call to action, say, which is very prominent and calls me for action. That is what it means. So it is asking me to try Serverless 360 for free. So try out various colors, various size, and various banners which has worked best for you, and then fix on one. Conduct a competitor analysis. So any business will have multiple competitors, and you should always pay attention to your competitors. So opt for competitor analysis and identify your top performing content from your competitors for relevant topics. So when you are talking about a particular technology or space, you need to pay attention to how are your competitors representing this particular technology or space. So that would give you a number of intuitions. So find out your strongest competitors by using search engine and check which websites are competing with you. So that Google search can help us. Say an equivalent tool, say when I get into the Google search and then say Serverless 360 equivalent. So this will give me another tool which are alternative, best Serverless 360 alternative. So here I get to know a number of tools which could be of competition to me. So I will have to pay attention to all these competitors, and I need to understand how do they actually carry out their website, like how do they write their blogs, what are all the titles do they give, how do they organize their webinars, and I would definitely have insights to learn from them. So identify your competitors. And so SEMrush is another tool which can help you find out your competitor, another way to find out what your competitor is using. Yes. Choose a suitable content format. So when we say content, it could be of different formats. Decide the type of content you want to create. So when I say the type of content, it could be a blog post, ebook, case studies, infographics, podcasts, or videos. So even we have various types of contents in our website. Say when I get into the core website, you can find resources wherein we have got say we have got documentation, blogs, webinars, white papers, guest blogs, and we have got comparison documents, feature articles. So try out various types of contents, and you can even find different formats of content. Like this is on video, you have videos, you have blogs, you have white papers, which are relatively exhaustive documents, and lengthier ebooks, which would be lengthier but with more content, whereas blogs would be of a defined length of 1500 words or so. So try out various contents and identify which works the best for you. So decide the type of content you want to choose. Some of the most popular content formats that marketers create are blog posts. It should have valuable content that can be shared by your website visitors on social media and across the websites. You can have ebooks. Case study should be a customer story. Like I can tell the world how my product has helped my customers, so that would help them understand what would be its role in their business. I can organize and visualize data in more engaging way. And suppose your audience doesn't have interest in reading content every day, a podcast will help them find your brand. So what we used to do is I will engage myself in various podcasts, say like, let me, say these are my podcasts in which I have talked about the serverless technologies. It need not be directly on my product, but I talk about various topics. Say this is another platform in which I have spoken about introduction to serverless. It's a technology space in which we work. So I talk about it. When people listen to this, they get to know that I work for a product which is Serverless 360, and they land up on my product and then explore more about this. So this is our strategy. So this particular website or this particular influencer has got reach out to various a broader audience who are relevant to us. So I try to reach out to them through these platforms, and we engage with the audience who are appropriate for our tool. So these are podcasts, and you can have videos. Even now, YouTube is the most reliable platform. You can have your own YouTube channel in which you can talk about the space or your product that you are working with. Choose a content management system. So when I need to publish and manage my blogs or articles, then I should have a content management system in place, isn't it? So where do I create my blogs? Where do I host it? How can I make it available to my end users? So that is where a content management system comes into picture. So as you all know, there are a number of content management softwares: WordPress, Hotspot, Binder. So these are some well-known content management systems. So we do use WordPress for our blogs maintenance. So this is our WordPress account wherein we maintain our blogs and then manage them. We also have our own product called Document 360, which is a knowledge management software. It is ideal for larger enterprises who are looking for a knowledge-based platform that is a bit beyond content management. It has all the qualities of a content management, wherein you can create your content, you can make it available to your end users as a website. So all those are possible. Along with that, you have a platform to manage your teams, you have version control, and all those are also comes in place. So choose the appropriate content management tools. Many are available as free tools, but you will definitely find it hard to fulfill your needs with an with a free content management tool. So wherein if you are expecting to monetize your content, then you should look for a paid content management system. which are available in nominal prices, and you can many content management systems will have a tie-up with hosting solutions also. So you can choose either a separate hosting solution. So why do we need a hosting solution? To make your website available through a domain name. You would have learned about website creation and hosting your website in the previous sessions. So once you make your content and make it available to your end users through an hosting platform and a content management system, you can look at monetizing it. Yeah. Next is target your audience using email. So like when you are when this is when you do in content marketing, you have a quality content and you want to serve it to your target audience, then you can run an email marketing. So this is where Google AdSense also can help. Like this all can help you improve the quality score of your content, and once the quality score is improved, then you can look for monetizing your content. So the emails can help you communicate directly with your target audience and convert them into leads. Use the native ads. So native advertising on BuzzFeed. You can one of the smartest way to connect your audience, like organically, like our primary goal here is to make your content being organically available in Google search. So at the beginning, you can use native ads to promote your page and then get it ranked in the initial search results. And once they get the organic ranking, then you can monetize your content. And once all these are done, it is also required to measure your content's performance over a period of time. You should have analytics tools in place. So any content management system or content management system that you use will have the capabilities to analyze the performance of your content as well. You can understand how your content is working based on few basic metrics, like how many users have visited this particular content, how many page views have their unique page views. Like you can measure whether a person is repeatedly landing on the page, or are there any distinct users consuming this page content. How many sessions are active at this point in time? What is the bounce rate? Bounce rate is people come to this page through some ads or something, but they do not read through the article. When the bounce rate is high, it is time for you to relook into the content and improve its quality. What is the dwell time, like how long people stay with this content. So all these basic metrics needs to be measured and evaluated. You need to set an benchmark and evaluate the quality of your content. There are certain additional metrics as well, that is, which will help you understand are you targeting the right potential audience. So location, like from which location are people accessing this particular article or content. What is the medium through which people are accessing? What is the traffic source? So these medium will help you understand which is the right platform for you to promote your content. Or traffic will help you understand what should be the ideal resolution or display the best quality resolution of your content. Say, are people accessing it from your mobile? How responsive should my images or content should be? So all these can be decided with the help of these metrics. So here is a checklist when you intend to create an ideal content. So deliver content at the regular intervals, create an editorial calendar for yourself and keep track of the publication of the content in the given period. So when you say a monthly newsletter or monthly blog, you have to be regular in publishing the content at the appropriate time, so that all those who expect your content at that point in time is getting served. Make your content worth reading, curate your content, like guest post on influential bloggers website. So if you find that there is no much traffic for your website, you can propose to write as guest blogs to a website which has got an adequate traffic. Add statistics, numbers, and quotes to your content. That really works. When you add statistics, numbers, the authenticity of the content improves. Make sure you share all your content on the SlideShare. SlideShare is a platform from where even now I'm accessing this presentation from SlideShare. So that's a centralized platform from where you can reach out to multiple of your people. Once you have published the content, share it on your social media channels and blogs, which will increase its ranking. Write a testimonial from you, promote your blogs for maximum success. Create personas of your different user audiences and drive your content to serve them. Choose the right content type. Add single H1 and multiple H2 tags on your web pages. So H1 should be the title and H2 tag should be your subheadings. So now all these H1 and H2 tags should have the identified keywords. So we used Google Keyword Planner to identify the most happening keywords, right? So those keywords which are relevant to your topic should be a part of H1 and H2 tags, because this is the strategy behind Google ranking your article. So when you use these most searched keywords, as more people search for them, more your article would be visited, and better is the probability of it getting ranked in the first page. Customize the metadata, create a detailed summary and title, and make it easy for audience to ask questions and comments on your blog. So any blog that we write should have a section to interact. So when I look into a blog, I should have a space to interact with the author. So when there should be a comment section, say here at the bottom, there should be a comment section. See, if you see, there were number of people. See, nice blog, very interesting, book online bus ticket from Redbus. This is an cross-platform marketing. Okay, like if you are here, there is a backlink to another website who is trying to make use of this success of this blog. Yes. So these are certain checklists that would help you create an appropriate content. So now let us look into, see if I have got an authentic content. So how do I capitalize it? So from an individual's perspective, say if I have got an authentic content, how can I monetize my content to get the best out of it with the help of Google AdSense? So that is our intention here. Like, so grow your business with Google Ads. So be seen by customers at every moment they are searching on Google for things you offer. Also, you can get spend matched up to 2,000 in the promotional credit. So this is what Google offers for us to help like a start off with Google AdSense. From a merchant's perspective, say I have a product to sell, I can sign up with Google Ads and I can create ads that would best represent my business, and I get these ads shown to people who look for such information. Say if I am a jewelry vendor, I create ads which would be of templates like this. Say I saw the templates, right? So this is something the vendor would create. So if I am a merchant, I would create an ad like this. I would associate it to my Google AdSense account, and I would make sure that this is being rendered to the customers who had been who are looking for information in this sector, right? So as a merchant, Google is where people search for what to do, where to go, and what to buy. Your ad can appear on the Google at very moment someone is looking for products or services like yours. So whether they are on desktop or mobile, a well-timed ad can turn people into valuable customers. That is exactly what Google AdSense does with the help of all the information that it has collected through users' browsing information and access details. So this is from an merchant's perspective. Yes, so I can always keep the spending. So obviously when I want to run an advertisement on my ad, I will have to set a budget that works for my business. So if I expect so much returns from my business, say if I sell these 10 goods, I'm going to get this much this much profit. So based on that, I can set a monthly budget cap and adjust it. So until the budget is being consumed, it will display my ads to the right customers. So displaying your ad to right customers is what Google AdSense guarantees. So those right customers can convert into a sale. Yeah. But what is it in for an individual like me who has got an authentic content? So whenever a person clicks on the ad in my page, I earn in commission out of it. So that is what you can get as an individual who has got an authentic content. The same can be registered in Google AdSense, and signing up can help you earn through the commissions for the clicks that you receive on your website through the Google Ads. So here is a guide to AdSense. So looking to earn extra revenue from your website with Google AdSense, these are the guides designed to get you up to speed quickly. So you can start earning by showing relevant and engaging ads alongside your online content. Just pick the path that's right for you to get started. It's as simple as it, as Google products are well known for their simplicity. So you have a complete guide here that will help you to create your to associate your website as a target ad platform. So you can sign up with AdSense and you can create and activate your AdSense account. So get your first ads up and running. So what is a prerequisite to be an advertising platform is an website with an adequate traffic and with authentic content. So in this session, we learned about how Google AdSense can help an individual to monetize their authentic content. We also looked into the guidelines of creating authentic content, a high quality content, and from a merchant's perspective, how an Google AdSense can help display your ads to the right target audience and increase the probability of sales. So here is a recap of content. Know your audience, create high quality content, consistently run A/B tests, conduct competitor analysis, choose a suitable content format, choose a content management system, target your audience, and use native ads. So use Google AdSense when you want to display appropriate ads in your blogs, or when you want to display your ads on your products to the right audience. And irrespective of which tool that we use, measuring the content performance is very critical as we deal with any tools. And all the tools are has an inbuilt capability to measure the performance of your content. So this brings me to the end of the session, and I am open to any questions from the participants. Let me reserve few minutes for answering your questions. So thank you so much for your feedbacks. Prema Vasumati, Dr. Sunil Ujari. Thank you so much. Bobinda Singh. Please let me know your valuable feedback through the feedback link. Vrindaban Panda. Yeah, thank you for your positive feedback. And thanks for being such an quiet and dedicated audience. I can stay here for a few more minutes. Like,
Thank you very much. No question according to me. Thank you very much. Very excellent session presentation. Since I am one of the principal, you have done a very good, wonderful presentation. The
thank you
rhythms
so much.
and the sound, voice, audible, everything's very fine, madam. Is it possible to share the PowerPoint presentation, the PPT? Huh?
Yeah, I can give you the links.
Links.
It's there in SlideShare, sir. I can
Okay,
give
sir.
you the links.
Okay, sure, madam. Thank you very much, madam. A nice presentation. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks for listening. So here I would share the links of the presentations. It is in the SlideShare, open for anybody to learn, and the credits goes to Simply Learn for the slides. Yeah. Yeah. So I have shared the links of both the presentations, affiliate marketing as well as the content marketing examples that we saw now along with Google AdSense. And the documentation of Google AdSense you can find here. Yeah. So here you go with the Google AdSense docs. Yeah. Thank you so much, Muthulakshmi ma'am and Paneer R. Thank you. Shanmuga Sundar, thanks a lot. Yeah. So we still have 10 more minutes. I will be online. Like if you have any queries or let me know your feedback, I'll observe in the chat prompt. If there are any questions, I would answer them.
Yes, good evening to one and all.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Good evening, madam.
Yeah, I hope interactive session is also over.
Yes, madam.
Any participant is there to interact with the resource person? Yeah, I hope attendance link and feedback link is with you. Already it has been completed. I hope so. Why? Because only 41:50, which is showing that attendance is over. And yes, sir, Ganesh sir.
Yes, madam, I am here.
Yeah, you are there. I know that, but the number shows after 5 o'clock. After putting the attendance link and
yeah.
feedback link automatically. Yeah.
Some of the
Yeah,
people
definitely. So
participant.
it shows that every work has been completed. And on behalf of all the patient participants, 39, and I don't know out of 39, how many of them left with opening their mobile and all. That really I don't know. But anyhow, I thank all the 39 participants for your patient listening till the end of the program. And I thank Mrs. Elilarsi for her deliberations and interaction with the participants. Thank you, madam. We will meet again with in the international webinar. Thank you very much.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. Pleasure is
Yeah.
mine. Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, madam. Very good resource person, madam. Very good,
Yeah,
excellent
thank you.
presentation. As a teacher, I understand how the rhythms, voice modules, and content, everything's presentation is very nice. PPT,
That's what, sir.
everything.
We are keeping her for all the 3 phases.
Very excellent. Encourage. When he trained another 10 to 15 years, with a very good trainer.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thanks, the Bharatiya University. Identify the very good, correct, apt research person. That's a very
Thank
much.
you, sir. Thank
The
you.
programs
Thank you,
were successful for the program, the resource person. The
Thank you, sir.
real time play. Thank you, madam.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank you so
sir.
much, sir. Very glad to receive a positive comment.
Soon, madam,
from
I
the
can
principal.
think my backyard. At the age of you, I am not present like that. I'm having 53 years, 30 years of teaching experience, even though at the younger age, you can done an excellent presentation. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
This is a
Thank
real
you,
one
madam.
from me. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you, madam. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.